Hey blockchain visionaries, I'm George Levy. In this video we're going to talk about how brand new Bitcoins are created. In the process I'm going to take you inside a Block Explorer, we're going to look around the Bitcoin network and you'll know exactly how brand new Bitcoins are made. Let's go there. So let's talk Bitcoin. Right now what you're seeing is a Bitcoin visualization. This is the Bitcoin network, and this visualization actually tracks where transactions are happening all around the world. All transactions on the Bitcoin network are public. That's why when you can go to a Block Explorer, you can actually see any transaction that's ever happened all the way back to the Genesis block, which is the first block ever created on the Bitcoin network, and you can actually see every single transaction. Every transaction is public. So what you see here are transactions happening right now all around the world. You can see the variety of different places that are there. You can see Dublin, you can see the United States, you can actually see Ashburn, you can see, let's see what else is out there, Montreal. All of these are actually happening regularly all around the world. But the reason why I want to prepare this video is for you to know where these Bitcoins are coming from. Because while you may be familiar with the process of sending Bitcoins to someone else, not everybody knows where Bitcoins are actually created. Well, Bitcoins are actually mined, and I'm going to show you exactly where the process of mining happens, and you will understand what mining truly means. So let me take you briefly into other visualizations of Bitcoin and take advantage of the fact that we have all this visibility of what's happening in Bitcoin. So right now I'm taking you to a place called Blockchain.com. Blockchain.com is really well known because they produce a cryptocurrency wallet. Their Bitcoin wallet is amazing, very, very well known with millions and millions of them all around the world. But Blockchain.com also has some very, very good data visualization abilities for you to look at Bitcoin and look at all the history and transaction history of Bitcoin. So here's some things that we can look at right now. If you're inside Blockchain.com, they have a section that lets you look into data. So if I go to Blockchain.com, I can look at the data, and I'm going to look right now at charts. I love looking at the charts because all this information is actually updated regularly. So right now, as of today, which is actually June 15th, 2020, what you find is that the average price of one Bitcoin is $9,268.88. That's an average price. There's no such thing as one price for Bitcoin. The price of a Bitcoin is whatever someone is willing to pay for it. So when you look at the price of Bitcoin that's quoted, it is actually an average of the price of Bitcoin across multiple cryptocurrency exchanges around the world. So what we're seeing here is an average around the world of top cryptocurrency exchanges, and it's currently $9,268.88. Now, one thing that I want to show you while I have you here is the fact of the number of transactions that are happening per day. On average today, that's 292,194 transactions. So when you're looking at here, in one day you will have 292,194 transactions. Sometimes that number goes way higher. Sometimes it goes lower. But what I'm saying is there's a lot of volume going on in Bitcoin. But let's see exactly where those individual Bitcoins come from. So another visualization I want to take you to is a statistic of total circulating Bitcoins. And that's because we always can know exactly how many Bitcoins are in circulation. There's a controlled supply of Bitcoins. So as Bitcoins are new, Bitcoins are created, we know always how many Bitcoins are currently available. And you can actually see this information yourself if you actually go to this page. But I want to take you specifically to a Block Explorer and look at some blocks as they're created. So as I go through this, I want to explain to you that in Bitcoin, transactions are grouped into blocks, and these blocks are added to create what's known as the Bitcoin blockchain. The Bitcoin blockchain is a collection of all the blocks that have ever happened on Bitcoin, all the way back to the Genesis block, which was the first block ever mined on Bitcoin. And that actually happened on January 3rd, 2009. So that was the first block, the Genesis block, and then we are here today. So when we look at a Block Explorer, we can see specifically the latest block. I'm going to show you exactly where the Bitcoins that were created in that block actually came from. So if I click on that block, what you will find is that with every brand new block that's added to the Bitcoin blockchain, and those blocks are added on average approximately one every 10 minutes, a new amount of Bitcoins is created. As of this precise moment in history, there are 6.25 new Bitcoins created with every single new block that's added to the Bitcoin blockchain. So when a miner is actually creating a new block to add to the Bitcoin blockchain, they include one transaction called the Coinbase transaction. That Coinbase transaction is the first transaction that gets added into the block. So every single block that you will find on the Bitcoin blockchain, let me take you back here. Every block here, every single one of them will include a Coinbase transaction as its first transaction. As of this moment in history, that Coinbase transaction gives the miner the opportunity to create 6.25 new Bitcoins, and the miner also gets to reward him or herself with all of the transaction fees for every single one of the transactions that's included in that block. So you see, when a miner receives their reward for creating that new block, they're receiving 6.25 new Bitcoins, but they also receive all the transaction fees from every single transaction that's included in there. So when I take you here and you see all these transactions that are happening, every one of those transactions, when someone sends Bitcoins to another person, they include a transaction fee, and that transaction fee is paid to the miners for including their transaction inside the block. So when we talk about how do you create new Bitcoins, the new Bitcoins are created within the Coinbase transaction inside every single block. And that's what you will see in here is that you will find it's with the information for this specific block, block number 634,845, you will find that the block reward actually here is listing you 6.25. These are brand new Bitcoins, but the fee reward is additional rewards that miner receives for all the transaction fees collected. Okay, and that's really important that I want to explain to you right now, because as of this moment, the block reward fee is 6.25 Bitcoins. But that block reward fee used to be higher. It was 12.5 Bitcoins. Prior to that, it was 25 Bitcoins. And prior to that, it was 50 Bitcoins at the beginning of Bitcoin. That process of the block rewards has cut in half, which happens approximately every 4 years. It's a lot of information I brought to you here, but to summarize everything, how are brand new Bitcoins created? And by the way, I showed you these. It's not a real Bitcoin. That's actually just a little plastic token that looks like Bitcoin. So never, ever buy these as if they were real Bitcoins. I know a lot of people that have gotten tricked. There's no such thing as physical Bitcoins. Remember that. Brand new Bitcoins are created by miners whenever they create a brand new block. And they're created inside a transaction called the Coinbase transaction, which, as you can see, is the first transaction that gets included in every single block. I hope you find this information valuable and that you've learned in the process. If you're not subscribed yet to the channel, I encourage you to click subscribe, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. I would love to hear from you. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you learned something in the process. I bring you brand new videos every single week, so make sure to subscribe to this channel. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. I would love to hear from you. Until next time, I'm George Levy. We're changing the world one blockchain at a time. See you next time.